filming now. Yeah.
Alright, so we've upgraded to DeWalt chop saw basically.
Which model is it?
DWS773-GB. Right. Always wanted a DeWalt saw. Had a, can't remember the other one. It was a cheaper saw.
Evolution, wasn't it?
The cuts were so inaccurate. It's wasted so much material. It was just cheap in the end. So this was $199 from Screwfix. Right. Now today, it cuts like butter, literally. I should have got on years ago. Look at that. That's posts. Alright, to do 2 cuts because of the flame, but it cuts so easy. So just watch this, and it's quiet. And it's accurate. Watch this. Take it from me, it's worth the money. Just lack of wasted materials that you get with a cheaper saw, and the cuts are accurate, really accurate, and clean, and it's just effortless. Literally, it's just effortless, and it weighs so little as well. It's got tools built in there, little spanner to replace a blade. Things being thought about. See that there? When you're cutting, it's guiding along as well, and it's probably the bit. I've been using chop saws for 30 plus years, and this is the best saw I bought. Yeah, anyway, I hope that helps somebody when deciding whether to buy one.